Oh my gosh, you guys, I got not one, but two massive boxes full of key pieces for fall 2023 from H&M. Each of these weigh 25 pounds, so totaling 50 pounds. I am honestly so excited and cannot believe this. So shout out to H&M for sending this over. I have no idea what's inside. They just know like my sizes, so they were able to just pick out a bunch of items, and they did just that, as you can see. So I'm gonna open everything with you guys, try it on, and we're gonna just see what H&M has in store for us this fall 2023. I thought it would be fun to open it together with you guys. Seems to be a box inside of a box. Oh gosh. So we have a box that looks like this, which this is actually such a nice box. If you guys can see, it says H&M and just goes around. I don't know if I should open both boxes first or if we go one by one, but this is actually a pretty box. Took this off and the box is exploding. We're just gonna use the bottom box as like a table. Oh my gosh, okay, I completely opened this upside down, but oh my gosh, I am seeing some really pretty items. This, I think, is going to be all bottoms. Now that I'm looking at it, it does look like bottoms. I wish I could open and show you guys. Oh gosh. Ta-da! Okay, we ended up like deconstructing this box to kind of see what it is. Hopefully you guys can still see. This is a little chaotic because I normally don't film this chaotic, but these pants caught my attention and they are so cute. They're like super wide-legged pants, size extra small. These are women's trend loose fit wide trousers, and honestly they look so cute. Are we gonna try this on? Okay, I'm gonna move this around just a little so I can try things on for you so we can see and it can be a little less chaotic, because this box is massive. The more I'm looking at this, the more I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so hold on one second. Before we do that, I think the best thing to do is also going to be opening both boxes, because this one looks like it's all bottoms. So the second one, I mean, logically would be the tops, I think. I have no idea what's inside these, like I said. So we're gonna open them and then we're gonna see. That way I can like put together these outfits and like mix and match them, which I'm hoping that it's tops. Logically it would be. I don't see why they would send me 50 pounds of jeans bottoms, but if they did, like, hey, I'm not complaining. I can't believe this is actually like happening, like this actually happened. So I'm gonna open the second one and then we'll figure it out from there. I cannot thank you guys enough for even making this a possibility that H&M has sent me clothes, which I've worked with them a couple times in the past. They're honestly the best. I love getting packages from them because I never know what's inside. I'm so excited. H&M, seriously, thank you guys so much, and to you guys also, thank you guys so much. This one I'm gonna open it a little less chaotic. Okay, this one opened up a little bit nicer, and there's a cute little note. It says, Alexandra, hope you enjoy these fun fall pieces to add to your wardrobe. Happy styling, from H&M Canada. And then they also included a 25% off VIP card. I'm going to be keeping this. I think it's honestly just so sweet and such a nice touch. And then of course we were right. So this one has all these sweaters and tops. This one's a really pretty color, actually. You guys see that? And this chunky sweater. Oh, this one looks chunky and cozy, and I like the color blocking. Okay, this is good. So we have a box full of pants and then a box full of tops. So we're just gonna start styling and trying them on. These pants literally look so cute, and I think even with this top that I'm wearing right now is gonna be such a nice outfit. So this is the first one. Like I said, it's extra small and it is the loose fit wide trouser. I'm so sorry I don't have links to any of this, and some stuff don't even have tags on it. They just have like the little sticker inside. This is from the H&M showroom that I believe is in downtown Toronto. So they just go to the showroom, pick out different pieces in the size that I tell them. So I am extra small for bottoms and then small extra small for tops. If small is the smallest size that an item comes with, I will tell them to send me a small. However, if there is an extra small, I will prefer an extra small, but that's just the sizing that I tell them, and then they just send it over. Oh my gosh, these pants are so nice. They're also super comfy and very nice quality, and then as you can see here, it does cinch you in on the waist. And then they are super wide leg. I hope you guys can see that. They are a little long, so I might have to get them a little tailored unless you wear heels with them. I am 5'4", again, for reference, but the color is honestly really nice. It goes well with everything. Can't go wrong with a nice neutral. Even with this top, it goes nice, but let's try it with a random top that they sent over, which I am seeing this one. This is the tag for it and the name for it. Maybe you can find it on their website like that, but it has a cute little flower detail, shoulder pads. This is what the top looks like. I just tucked it in to these pants, and then here it has the shoulder pads as mentioned, and then the flower little detail. I don't have anything like this, but this is what it looks like tucked in to the pants as well. I am wearing pasties underneath it, but not something that I would go ahead and pick up, but I kind of like it looking at it from the viewfinder. I feel like it's kind of cute, but definitely outside my comfort zone. Like, I would never go to reach for something like this, which is also why I love these H&M packages, because it just gets me outside my comfort zone. I never have any idea of what like the new H&M fall collection looks like or their H&M winter collection. It's just a bunch of things that they select for me. I need to try on these jeans next. These are straight fit, low waist denim jeans. I do not own any low waist jeans, and oh my gosh, another piece outside my comfort zone, so let's try it on. I cannot remember the last time I have tried on low waist jeans. I regret eating a massive lunch before filming this now, but these are the jeans. Honestly, the wash is so nice. I love the wash. I actually don't have any jeans in this specific wash. Y'all, the low rise just ain't it for me. Like, I am so sorry, but the low rise is just not it for me, especially after I ate lunch. How am I supposed to feel comfortable in low rise jeans? But I will say, if they were high rise, I would be obsessed with these. You can see they are a straight leg jean, and they're actually very comfortable for being jeans. I am not somebody that wears jeans a lot. You know me, I am a legging kind of girly, tracksuit kind of girly, but I will say these are cute, and then they are a little bit looser as well. We're gonna see if we can pair this with something. I also see this jacket, which obviously denim on denim would be a little bit too much for me, but I feel like it might actually also be a little bit fun. So I'm gonna see maybe with this specific top that's a one shoulder, also kind of going to be kind of crazy. Next up, we have this top, which has a very wide like bell shaped sleeve. I took off the sticker from the inside, so this is it. I got it in a size small, and this comes in extra small to extra large, and it retails for $69.99 Canadian, and it is the dark khaki green rib knit one shoulder top with flared cuff. As you can see, this is the flared cuff, and then it is one shoulder. There's only one sleeve. However, it is like a long top, but I just folded it to be like this because I did kind of just want to show a little bit of skin between the low-rise jeans. I still can't believe I'm wearing low-rise jeans, but the low-rise jeans and this top. But if you want to wear it normally, it does go down like this. And then the jacket that I'm intrigued by probably won't go well together, but I do just want to try on this jacket. We're going to do like a Canadian tuxedo type style. If you don't know what that is when you wear denim on denim. This retails for $59.99 Canadian, and they sent it to me in a size small. I'm going to definitely have to fold the sleeve because it is a little too long. But look at this. Okay, it probably does not match with this top. Denim on denim style, which I personally would never wear it like this, but I do love the denim jacket. I am like a denim kind of girly with like a bodysuit under. This is a great jean jacket, especially for fall. It's definitely a fall essential. Okay, we're back and we have different pants on. So next up, I'm trying these pants. These are the Trend pattern silky loose fit trousers. They retail for $74.99. I got them in a size 2. This is what it looks like. There is no stretch on the actual fabric of the pant, so I probably would have sized up to a size 4 in these instead of a 2. There is some stretch along the waistband though, but it does bulge up like this. I feel like it's just a little bit too tight, which is why it is bulging up like that. but a fun pattern, again, outside my comfort zone. And then I just put on the plain black top that I originally had at the beginning of the video just to match these pants because I don't see a solid black top in there. So just thought for the sake of this one, the black one would be good. And then it's also not too long either. I hope you guys can see. I feel like sizing up would fix the problem. I don't know, like there's not much breathing room on the actual pant material. Next up, we're gonna try these baggy low waist jeans. So another pair of low waist jeans. These ones are baggy though, the other ones were straight fit. These are a size 4 and they retail for $39.99. Okay, wait, these are supposed to be low rise jeans, but I'm just putting them on. Whoa, these are huge. I know they're supposed to be like baggy jeans, but these are definitely super baggy. If you guys can see that, they are very, very baggy. They're not as low rise as I was expecting. The other ones, as you saw, went under my belly button, where these ones go a little bit higher. However, yeah, they are baggy but very comfortable. Oddly enough, I do like these. They just need like a little belt, something to just hold it up a little bit. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like the baggy jeans or not? They are very, very loose, and keep in mind they are a size 4, so you could probably size down at least 1, I would say. I'm not sure how this would style nice with it, but we're gonna see, just try it over. This is a dress shirt, but it does look pretty big and very long as well, so I'm not sure if this is just supposed to be a dress by itself or if you could style it like this. It is in a size small, so for it to be a small, it is pretty large and oversized. I don't know, let me know if you like it or not. I personally think I kind of like it, like the bagginess of it, like black and black and then the bagginess. What do you guys think? I guess it could also be, no, it would be too short to be a dress without pants. I feel like this is a good fall outfit idea, but also wearing like a nice long dress with this over would be nice for fall as well. But I think I need to go back to my high-rise jeans, which I see right here. So we're gonna try on the high-rise jeans because yes, these say 90s boyfriend's jeans, high-waisted jeans. So I feel like these are gonna be the perfect jeans for fall, so let's try them on. These are the high-waisted ones, which I also think look cute with this. Like this is even like a nice kind of cardigan style oversized dress shirt. It looks really pretty in my opinion. But what I will also say is I don't know if they're just making the sizes a little bit bigger or if I've lost weight, but even this one is pretty baggy on me and it's a size 4 as well. I don't remember being a size 2 in jeans. I remember I've always gotten size 4. Again, not too long. Probably with some sneakers, Air Force Ones, any Nike kind of shoes would be cute with that. So this is the next outfit. This top, I have no idea how I'm gonna style this or how it's gonna look on me. This is the top. I feel like it would look cute if I had like a kind of like sweater vest, you know, the ones that are very popular, having the collar kind of stick out, but I don't think I have any of the sweater vests and they didn't include one in this package. So I'm just gonna try it on with these jeans right now. We're gonna see how it looks. This retails for $53.99. I got it in a size small, and then this is the tag for it. No idea what it's called. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this one. Let me know in the comments. I feel like there has to be a way to style this. I just don't personally know how, but like I said, I would try with a vest, but I don't have any right now. But just by itself like this, I'm gonna say pass. We're gonna try on the next outfit. Okay, next outfit, bear with me, I have like 4 other pieces to show you, but this is the next item. It is so cozy. It's like a color block sweater, oversized as you can see, also turtleneck, but I folded it down to make it more of a mock neck, and then the sleeves are wide sleeves. It is just very comfy. It also does have little slits over here, as you can see. So it goes like that. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer, but I do have a line of 6-inch shorts underneath. But this with like high-waisted boots and everything, I feel like would be such a nice fall outfit. So this is definitely a great fall staple from H&M. This one is probably my favorite now. It has pushed the pants to number 2. This is their white/black bold color block high neck sweater. Size small. It retails for $114. Comes from sizes extra small to extra large. So we got that one. Extra small also would have been nice, but I'm glad that they actually sent it in a small just to give it like that oversized kind of feel. I do actually want to see if I can style it with this jean jacket. This outfit right here just makes me so excited for like the colder weather. I know I'm in shorts, but obviously you can wear like full-size leggings, but like this outfit is like me. This is like comfy me. It's just like cozy, and like I love personally turtlenecks and mock necks, especially in the winter. I think they're just very flattering and also just help to keep you nice and warm and cozy, just like you're cuddled up in a blanket. And then I also wanted to mention the 90s boyfriend jeans that I just showed you prior. I forgot to mention that they actually have a button-up closure to put it on, so there's no like zipper. Next up we have this really cute skirt, which I wasn't sure at first if it was a skirt or a skort. Got it sent in an extra small and it is $29.99. Very easy to style. You can wear it with a crop top like this with a cardigan or anything over, or like a chunkier kind of sweater. Even styling it with this sweater, I personally would tuck in the black part and then just have the white and the neutral be like this. And last but not least, we have a sweater which has this detailing of pearls on the hood, which is so funny too. I am working with another company to do a clothing haul, and they're actually sending me jeans that have pearls on it, so that's so funny that I also have a sweater now with pearl detailing. I will say the material is interesting. It doesn't have fleece on the inside. Kind of like a spongy material is how I would describe it. Obviously it doesn't go that well with this outfit, but it is oversized. I wish the sweater was cropped and then also maybe had the bead detailing around like the cuffs of the sleeve to kind of like tie it in, but like that is so pretty, and it actually feels like it's on there pretty well where it's not just gonna like fall off. But I would say if you get this sweater, definitely hand wash. Do not throw it in the washer or dryer just because you don't want the beads to get ruined. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul full of select key pieces for fall from H&M. Shout out to them for sending this over, and to you guys for being here and making all of this possible. Like, I would never ever get this much clothes sent to me from H&M if it wasn't for you guys being here, liking, commenting. Like, thank you guys so much. We're also almost at 14,000 subscribers. We're like 300 away, so we are so close. If you are not yet subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. I always do a bunch of online shopping, so I always have a bunch of hauls to show you guys, so you're not going to want to miss any other videos. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!